From the Republic Media Network headquarters, it's time for Arnab Goswami on The Debate. Arnab Goswami on The Debate.
And ladies and gentlemen, now time for the nation's sharpest opinion, given the gravity of how many people have died in Wayanad, Rahul Gandhi's constituency. And what has happened in Wayanad, the horror in Wayanad, Rahul Gandhi's constituency. Rahul Gandhi should have rushed to his constituency of Wayanad in Kerala, but he did not care all day. He could have taken a flight, he could have taken some action. More than 106 people have died in Wayanad in this landslides triggered by flooding, and Rahul Gandhi says he's heartbroken. We'll land lavishly in a chartered plane sometime, maybe tomorrow, day after. But ladies and gentlemen, why has he not traveled so far? And most likely he will not say anything even when he goes to Wayanad against the Pineri Vijayan-led left government in Kerala, because you see they have an alliance. When will Rahul Gandhi treat the people of Wayanad as human beings and not just as a Vadra Gandhi bastion? It is unacceptable that more than 100 people have died in one of the worst natural disasters in Kerala. But even more unacceptable is the fact that this is a recurring problem in the state, and as a local MP from Kerala, Rahul Gandhi should have been aware of the grave possibility of such a disaster happening. But he's not doing anything. He's not taking any responsibility now. He's simply passing the buck to the center, saying there is more to be done. Well, what have you done, Rahul? Where was this softness when Joshimath developed cracks? In January 2023, when cracks developed in Uttarakhand's Joshimath, Rahul Gandhi blamed the BJP government for going against nature, for continuous digging and unplanned construction. So when the BJP rule comes to question, Rahul Gandhi goes completely against development and even blames development itself in a bid to target the Modi government. But what about the development in Kerala or the unplanned development? No wonder this anti-development approach of the Congress and the left has left Wayanad inundated. Perhaps a fine example of the Congress left behind the curtains understanding in Kerala. Defy and deny any growth and development. Where it is the BJP in power, the nature of the response is accusatory. But when it is their own constituency, or like what has happened in Delhi or in Wayanad, their response is templated. How absolutely hypocritical, ladies and gentlemen. Having said that, I'd like now to move on to the main subject of the debate this evening. Ladies and gentlemen, the big story that broke a little earlier this evening. The Yogi government passed a bill against conversion. It's being colloquially called the anti-love jihad bill. It's a big move by Yogi Adityanath days after he got a full endorsement from the top party leadership, which made it clear to his detractors within the party like Keshav Prasad Maurya that Yogi is the man who's going to lead the BJP to the 2027 assembly elections. This is his latest move. Controversial. Let's debate.
महिला सुरक्षा के बारे में प्रदेश सरकार पूरी तरह सचेत है, सक्रिय है। हर बेटी को भी, हर व्यापारी को भी सुरक्षा प्रदान करने के लिए पूरी तरह प्रतिबद्ध है।
Hefty fines, tougher bail, life imprisonment. The Uttar Pradesh anti-conversion law has become more stringent than ever. Today, the Uttar Pradesh Assembly passed the Unlawful Conversion of Religion Amendment Bill 2024. The law encompasses a wide array of provisions targeting crimes ranging from assault and trafficking to illegal foreign funding and mass conversions. This sweeping overhaul of legal provisions shows the Yogi government's commitment to bolstering societal protections.
ये कानून पहले से ही था, लेकिन उसमें सजा को बढ़ाया गया है। इसमें आजीवन कारावास तक की जो है प्राविधान किया गया है कि कोई भी प्रलोभन दे करके, धमका करके इस तरह से किसी का धर्म परिवर्तन न करा सके।
ये जो प्रदेश की हमारी बहन बेटियां थीं, जिनके जीवन के साथ खिलवाड़ किया जा रहा था, निश्चित तौर पर इस कड़े कानून के बाद उस पर प्रतिबंध लगेगा।
Perpetrators involved in assault, use of force, or instigating forced marriages will now face imprisonment from 20 years to life, marking a significant escalation in legal consequences. The law places a strong emphasis on safeguarding minors, women, and others vulnerable to exploitation, aiming to shield them from trafficking and other abuses. Fines imposed on offenders will be directed towards victim compensation, covering medical expenses, rehabilitation, and potential additional compensation of up to rupees 5 lakhs. Stricter measures are introduced to combat illegal foreign funding, with penalties including 7 to 14 years in jail and fines up to rupees 10 lakhs for offenders.
लव जिहाद को रोकने में एक प्रभावी कदम है, लेकिन इसमें एक सुधार की अभी गुंजाइश और ज़रूरत है। वो ये है कि जब सुप्रीम कोर्ट ये कह चुका है कि धर्मांतरण अवैध है, तो धर्मांतरण कराने वाले मौलाना, इमाम, मौलवी ये कब जेल जाएंगे?
हम इसके पक्ष में हैं क्योंकि ये समाज के हित में है। तो हम देख रहे हैं कि कैसे किस मानसिकता के साथ में हमारे धर्म को, हमारी परंपराओं को खंडित करने का काम और हमारे बच्चियों को महिला को सुलाकर उनके जीवन को खत्म करने का काम किया जा रहा है।
It also ensures a stricter enforcement of the law against egregious offences. While this move has been welcomed by advocates of justice and social reform, the Indie bloc sees red and is branding the UP government communal.
Support coming in for Yogi Adityanath on this. How do you read this? Ratan Sharda, I want to start with you. Shantanu Gupta and Anila Singh are supporting Yogi tonight. And Waris Pathan, MIM, Romesh Sabharwal, Congress, Tariq Ahmed Lali, Samajwadi Party and Vivek Srivastava, CPI are against Yogi Adityanath on this. Ratan Sharda? Uttar Pradesh Prohibition of Unlawful Conversion of Religion Amendment Act 2024. Many people felt Yogi cannot pass it, but he has pushed it through in the assembly.
I do not understand, Arnab, that a bill which is trying to protect the religious rights of a community should be called communal. You will have special laws for minorities, but not for people who are being lured or cheated into changing the religion. I'll give you just the context for this. This is a book called Love Jihad. This book was published 3-4 years back. It was headed by Monica Arora, an eminent lawyer. It gives 12 cases of love jihad deliberately where the names were changed and girls were pushed and also violated. Nikita Tomar, Tara Sadev, Lalita, Meenu, Soumya, Neha, Aishwarya, Kavita, Priya Sharma, Christina, Maria, Shruti, Rajini. I would also remind people that 3 years back, I had interviewed 2 Christian clerics from Kerala who claimed that 3,000 girls have disappeared due to love jihad and removed from the society as they escaped the society to wherever they went. They don't know. There is a complete survey by Christian clerics, and if you remember, love jihad was a term coined by the Christian clerics who are trying to protect their girls. Just to give a glance of 10 minutes I researched. Just for 2-3 months, every day the love jihad angle comes. 24th July, 2 boys in Wardha changed their name to Sanchit Agarwal, Suraj Deshmukh and lured the girls. If you go back further, 2 July 24, Devan, a Muslim doctor called himself Aman Dikshit, made a 5th marriage, forcefully converted a Hindu girl and she was gang raped. 6th May, Shakib posed as Sagar Kumar and stalked 17-year-old girl, Muslim girl, attacked her, threatened her. 27th April, Anita's mother was shot dead by a Muslim who was chasing the minor girl, daughter of that person. These are 14 cases just in 10 minutes I could find. I could keep on speaking of them but I don't want to just keep about speaking and raising the tempers. My point is, why should anybody convert people by force or by luring or by changing the names misrepresenting himself or herself and try to convert people. And why use force? Why gang rape? Why convert it with force?
Okay, now we are going to get the other side.
We are in a secular society.
Viewers, my top band says this is a very huge move by Yogi. An anti-love jihad law is getting a lot of support from Hindu religious figures across the entire country, not only right-wing politicians. Actually, I know a lot of people anti-BJP who are saying, अच्छा किया, ये योगी जी को पहले ही करना चाहिए था. And my question tonight, hashtag this evening, is Yogi versus Love Jihad. Is Yogi right in pushing through an anti-love jihad law? This is a typical Yogi Adityanath move. Tariq Ahmed Lari, ज़्यादा पूछने की ज़रूरत नहीं है.
Any of them they ever condemned love jihad? Any of them sitting here, have they ever condemned?
अरे first they have to admit to condemn ना, ये तो admit ही नहीं करते रमेश रतन शारदा जी.
For years this debate is going on.
ये admit ही नहीं करते. ये admit ही नहीं करते, हंसते रहते हैं. They find it funny.
You challenge the book.
They find the crime of love jihad funny.
If you allow me, I will make my point, Arnab.
Yes.
Arnab, may I come in now?
Yes.
Can I say something, Arnab? Please. Arnab, the BJP is totally rattled, shattered and frustrated after the 2024 Lok Sabha mandate given to them by the public. Yogi has totally failed as the CM of the Uttar
Don't
Pradesh
deviate the subject.
state. Now they want to divert the mind of the nation. That is why they have come up with new things, love jihad, non-conversion. Arnab, in 2020 February, BJP was in power. In Parliament, a question was raised by a member of Parliament, and at that time, the Home Minister, he stood up.
Then you speak anything
else.
else.
Of the Parliament, he said there is no concept of love jihad. There is no agency which speaks about love jihad.
My question and topics are given. Can you take it?
So why to bring such kind of issue? If two person, see, when he was making his point, I was very, very silent. Now, this is not a proper way to debate, Arnab. Either you shut down his mic, lower his fader, or you allow us to make our point.
I want to tell you first.
I don't indulge into such kind of debates.
The representative of the All India Majlis-e-Ittihadul Muslimin, to the representative of the All India Majlis-e-Ittihadul Muslimin, I would like to say to the representative of the All India Majlis-e-Ittihadul Muslimin, I would like to say,
there is no concept of love jihad.
अरे आपके पार्टी का नाम ले रहा हूँ.
There is no concept of love jihad, and law of conversion is clear, sir. If somebody is forcefully trying to convert you, there is a law of the land prevailing. So why to bring this? Because you want to divert the mind, you want to polarize the situation, you want to play the Hindutva card, because you are in doldrum now. Yogi can anytime be removed from the ministership, and to save that post, he is trying to create this.
I'll tell you one thing. There is only one solution.
This is not the way to debate. Enough of your blabbering. When you are making your foolish argument, you are sitting there quietly.
We are refusing to accept.
This is not the way, Arnab. Either you call him or you call us.
That this happened. Am I blaming you?
This is not the way to debate. Who is he?
People are doing it. People are converting and you are just shouting at others.
I am speaking to Arnab. I don't have time to talk to people like you. Yeah, please.
This force has been used.
Okay, he wants to talk to me tonight, viewers, and I want to talk to him as well. My name is Arnab Goswami and I want to talk to you. Waris Pathan, don't try this dabangi with me on the program. Don't try the dabangi with me on the program, sir. Don't do the dabangi with me on the program.
No, you allow me to make my point.
Yeah, but you're doing this dabangi, it doesn't work.
Why did you allow Ratan Sharda to make his point then? For 5-10 minutes he went on blabbering. For 5 to 10 minutes you never interrupted him. And when I am making my point, who is he? Who is he? You are the anchor of the show.
Well, I'm the anchor of the show, then take my question, Waris Pathan. My question to you is this, and by the way, viewers, there's a lot of support coming in. There's a lot of support coming in for Yogi Adityanath, whether you like him or hate him, whether you agree with him or disagree with him. Whether you are his supporter or someone who opposes him, the fact is that 51-year-old Yogi Adityanath, who is 3 years younger than Rahul Gandhi, is getting a lot of support for this move. 51-year-old Yogi Adityanath, who's 3 years younger to Rahul Gandhi, is getting a lot of support for this move. My question is,
what is the data? What is the empirical data?
Okay, I'll tell you what.
Getting the support.
Show
me the empirical data which shows that Yogi is getting support on the love jihad issue.
Okay, put the question on the screen. I'll tell you.
The law is clear, Arnab. The law of the land is clear. Yogi just wants to bring something which is just divert the mind of the people because he is not sidelined. Now Namaste is also gone.
All right, 1 minute. What is also gone?
We saw the video. Namaste, when Modi came, Yogi did not got up, wished him, nothing. Arnab, totally rattled and chattered. Kindly don't be innocent, the entire country has seen. We saw the video how
you people are obsessed about Yogi and Modi.
Yogi created Rajnath
you can't think beyond Modi and Yogi.
JP Nadda, not to Modi.
No, Ratan, Sharda, Shantanu, ये लोग तो they are obsessed about Modi.
Frustration.
They are obsessed about Yogi.
सब बोलेंगे ये डिबेट छोड़ के सब बोलेंगे टॉपिक
छोड़ Shantanu, the issue is this. Going back to the serious issue of the debate. Anila is on the debate with Tariq Lari. Anila.
अर्नब मैं कुछ बोल सकता हूँ.
अनिला, तारिक जी, आप अनिला जी के साथ डिबेट करेंगे उसके पहले आई वांट टू टेल यू लव जिहाद इज अ टेरेबल क्राइम, फोर्सफुल कन्वर्जन्स इज अ टेरेबल क्राइम एंड वी हैव टू डील विद लव जिहाद एंड फोर्सफुल कन्वर्जन्स एज सीरियस क्राइम्स एंड अंडर द अमेंडेड प्रोविजंस आई एम हैप्पी टू इन्फॉर्म यू
इंटरकास्ट मैरिज
आई एम हैप्पी टू इन्फॉर्म यू
मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट इज मैरिड.
If a person, I'm not listening to you now. If a person, I'm not listening to you. If a person threatens, attacks, marries or promises to marry or conspires to marry or traffics a woman, minor or anyone with the intention of conversion, then his crime will be placed in the most serious category. यानी कि आप बोलते रहिए आपको जो बोलना है कि नहीं मैं कन्वर्ट नहीं कर रहा हूँ, मगर सच्चाई ये है कि अगर अनिला सिंह को लगता है कि आपका क्या कहते हैं इंटेंशन ये है, इंटेंशन को हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं, मतलब आपका मंशा, आपकी मंशा ये थी कि आप धर्म परिवर्तन कराएं. अगर आपका इरादा हो, आपकी मंशा हो, तो उस मंशा के लिए आपको अरेस्ट की जाएगी. बस खत्म बात. प्रॉब्लम क्या है इससे? इसको वेलकम कीजिए तारिक लारी. आपकी मंशा तो ऐसी कभी नहीं हो सकती ना, आपकी तो कभी ऐसी मंशा नहीं होगी. तो आप सपोर्ट कीजिए.
वरुण बन के जाएंगे क्या? वारिस भाई का मन है कि वरुण बन के जाएंगे क्या? ये वारिस की तरह जाएगा. That's the law. If वारिस भाई tries to become Varun and impersonates Varun, then the law will work against him. That's all. And what's the problem?
There's no problem.
Yes. And you know, it's not a new law. Not a new law. Yogi, Arnab, for your audience, Yogi government brought this law 2 years back, and it was implemented. Almost 427 cases are registered. 185 girls in the code of law said कि नाम बदल के शादी की गई हमको. We didn't know. These are records, right? अभी तो punishment 10 साल का 20 साल कर दिया.
You canvassed during the Kerala story which was released. Lakhs of love jihad cases have taken place in Kerala, but there was nothing.
Now
in Maharashtra Assembly, BJP ministers stood up and he said that lakhs of love jihad cases
taking place for 20 years now.
And when the RTI
अगर वारिस वरुण बनेगा तो जेल में जाएगा.
That there was no such thing called love
jihad. See, the thing is, what is Yogi saying? What is Yogi Adityanath saying? 1 minute. What is 1 minute? Yogi Adityanath is saying that I have created a law that will put anybody in jail for 20 years or for life imprisonment if you have any intention to marry with the intention to convert. आपको शादी करनी है करिए, मगर आप एक हिंदू महिला को मुस्लिम नहीं करा सकते फोर्सिबली, है ना? और आपकी अगर ऐसी मंशा है उसके लिए भी आपको अंदर किया जाएगा.
No.
तारिक, उसके लिए भी अंदर किया जाएगा.
One situation in the country which is there is a Bhagwa love trap. On social media we have been reading every day Bhagwa love trap.
शादी करिए, आप प्यार के लिए शादी करिए, प्रेम के लिए शादी करिए, प्रेम के लिए शादी करिए, धर्म परिवर्तन के लिए शादी मत करिए. No more धर्म परिवर्तन, शादी, conversion. And 98% of people are supporting Yogi on the program.
Commits impersonation. There is the law of the land.
चलिए 98% are supporting Yogi. Tariq Lari, what is your problem? And by the way, anybody can inform the police also. अगर आपको इफ यू गेट एनी इन्फॉर्मेशन कि कोई लव जिहाद कराने की कोशिश कर रहा है, पुलिस के पास जाइए, वो अरेस्ट हो जाएंगे 20 साल के लिए. इट्स वेरी सिंपल तारिक, वेरी सिंपल.
Arnab,
no one will let Tariq Lari come in, please. Tariq Lari and Anila. Tariq and Anila only.
पहली बात ये है अर्नब भाई.
हाँ जी बोलिए.
My mother was a Hindu.
जी,
My mother was a Hindu.
या
My mother was a Hindu. मेरी चाची हिंदू, मेरे एक छोटे भाई की बीवी हिंदू बंगाली, मेरे एक भाई की बीवी यहूदी पॉलिश। तो आप इसको क्या कहेंगे कि हम
मैं क्या करूं उसके बारे में?
लव जिहाद की फैक्ट्री?
नहीं, मैं क्या करूं? आप व्यक्तिगत बातें ना करें।
बताइए ना, क्या
आप व्यक्तिगत बातों को, आप, मैं आपके व्यक्तिगत जीवन के बारे में कोई बात नहीं करना चाहता। आपके व्यक्तिगत बातों पर मैं मुझे आपके परिवार और व्यक्तिगत चीजों पर आप मुझे कुछ नहीं कहना है। आई हैव नथिंग टू कमेंट ऑन योर फैमिली और योर पर्सनल बैकग्राउंड। प्लीज डोंट ट्राई टू डिस्ट्रैक्ट अटेंशन फ्रॉम द डिबेट टुनाइट।
लड़के की शादी होने जा रही है।
What do I care? Your family members are which religion they were from. If they were all Hindus and became Muslim, why what are you asking me?
तो कम से कम आप तो पढ़े लिखे हैं। वो तो पढ़ा लिखा जाहिल है।
Change religion and get married to.
आदमी हो,
The problem is there. Larissa, it is good that your family has married. Your family has done inter-religion marriages, but I am 100% sure they must have not hidden their religion.
इसको क्या कहेंगे अनिला जी आप?
अरे ये बताइए, लव जिहाद वो होता है साहब जब अपना धर्म छुपाकर,
दोनों को
झूठ बोलकर आप शादी कर रहे हैं, पैसा देकर आप बहका रहे हैं, डरा धमका कर आप दबाव में शादी कर रहे हैं और धर्म परिवर्तित करा रहे हैं। That is love jihad. You should understand what love jihad is before debating.
ये एक सिस्टम है।
You do not understand what exactly love jihad is. If you do not understand, then you should read a book or you should go and see Kerala stories.
बनना पड़ेगा, नहीं तो कोई भी धर्म उन लोग के बच्चों का एक्सेप्ट।
And just now I heard Mr. Pathan saying Bhagwa trap. What is Bhagwa trap?
एक्सेप्ट नहीं करता है।
हमारे हिंदुस्तान में रहकर आप हम ही हिंदुओं को टारगेट करते हो।
पड़ेगा।
ये तमाशा इस देश में ही होता है। Because there are political parties who are advocating for you guys.
मेरा एक दोस्त है जिसने एक मुस्लिम लड़की से शादी की, आज उसकी लड़कियों की शादी की नौबत है।
किस बच्चों का भविष्य खराब होने के लिए? हाँ, हमारी जो लड़कियां हैं उनका भविष्य खराब होता है, चाहे वो यश्री हो, चाहे वो निकिता हो, नीतू हो,
शादी नहीं हो रही हो,
चाहे वो दीक्षा हो, चाहे वो श्रद्धा हो, ये सब के सब they all have become the victims of love jihad. They are no more.
चतुर्वेदी नाम है उसका।
This is the reality of the love jihad. You must understand what love jihad is exactly, and once you understand, I'm pretty sure that you are going to say yes, it is correct.
Tariq Lari, I'll give you an example. नहीं, Tariq Lari, मेरी बात सुनिए। ये बात ऐसी होती है, you need to realize what I'm saying. ये कहता है कि स्वेच्छा से a person, a lady from on her own, Ramesh Sabharwal is becoming a Muslim. Who is Arnab Goswami to say that she did not want to become a Muslim? Maybe she wants to become a Muslim. Maybe she does not want to remain Hindu. Who is Arnab Goswami to say that this is love jihad? This is love, not love jihad. यही simple logic है इनकी. I'll give you an example now of this. Example in Muzaffarnagar, in January 2024, a case to love jihad came where a Hindu girl complained against a Muslim man who raped her for several days. In various places from Muzaffarnagar to Bengaluru, the Muslim man kept raping the Hindu girl, promising marriage. The girl said that this man changed his Muslim name to a Hindu name. He didn't say he's a Muslim, he said he's a Hindu. The girl, therefore, was not doing it a swechha. She was being sexually assaulted and raped by a Muslim man who said, I'm a Hindu. Later, the Muslim man forced her to have an abortion and married another girl. Do you realize? And people like you, Ramesh Sabharwal, come and say, love jihad देश में है ही नहीं, हमको सिर्फ क्या करना है आजकल आपका लेटेस्ट moral ethics कहाँ की बात?
Religion थोड़ा involved हो गया.
No, one way. What Ramesh Sabharwal, why is religion not involved?
Religion is not involved. Anybody can, somebody is cheating to somebody.
He should be hanged till death.
Somebody is cheating to somebody. Law should take its own course. Law should take its own course. Religion को बदनाम नहीं
मैं तो ये डिमांड करूंगा.
आप डिमांड करें.
This type of person should be hanged till death. You are talking about giving them 20 years आई एम सेइंग देयर शुड बी हैंड टिल डेथ।
Then tell me one thing.
वो भी होगा
बिल्कुल उनका तो उनको
शांतनु कह रहे हैं वो भी होगा. What are you saying, शांतनु? शांतनु क्या बोल रहे हैं आप? शांतनु क्या बोल रहे हैं? Because a lot of support coming in for Yogi Adityanath.
मैं अपने नेताओं को बोलिए कि ये बात कहें.
If 20 years does not become the deterrent,
और खुल के एतराज,
government will go ahead and do
खुल के एतराज है. औरत होती है, लड़की लड़की होती है, बेटी बेटी होती है, बहन बहन होती है.
I agree with him. If 20 years is not enough deterrent for such heinous criminals who want to, the Varises who want to burn Varun, all Varises who wants to burn Varun to woo Hindu girls, उनके साथ होना चाहिए. They should be given capital punishment for sure. If 20 years is not enough deterrent for them.
Vivek Srivastava, Vivek, I'll give you one more thought. They are saying these people should be hanged. Anila, there is a person called Maulana Taqir Raza.
May I?
One minute. A person called Maulana Taqir Raza.
In Uttar Pradesh.
Yeah, Vivek, bolo.
No, let me speak. In UP, there have been more than 65,000 cases, atrocities against women in 1 year. This is the government data. And 95% of these are Hindu men. We are not able to reform the Hindu society. Dowry deaths are very common. And we take great pride in trying to reform and control of Muslim men who are trying to act as 420s.
There are two.
So all this stupidity of bad governance and covering, it's a law of hate. It's a law of hate.
Why are you advocating for love jihad?
The story of which you talked.
No.
So this love jihad theory is a false theory. You want to victimize the Muslim community because you are scared. You are scared of the Dalits and the backwards converting into Islam. That is the real story.
Because you are unnecessarily advocating for them. You are talking against all those girls who have been sacrificed.
Mr. Liar.
Their lives because they became the victims of love jihad. You are not thinking about all those girls here. Because you have to advocate because of the vote bank
there is
politics.
nothing called love jihad. There are bad humans and good humans.
Okay, there's nothing called love jihad.
And so the law should not be based on religion.
When Arnab is going to invite us to talk about crime,
there is nothing called love jihad.
Anila,
I am definitely going to talk about it.
Anila,
but here we are talking about love jihad, and you are advocating for all those criminals who killed these poor girls.
I'll tell you one more thing. The reason why people are confused is because they thought that Yogi Adityanath is on back foot. I'll tell you actually, Shantanu. Ratan Sharda, they thought कि ये केशव मौर्य politics से Yogi Adityanath is on back foot. This will do politics within BJP. Yogi will be on back foot. Keshav will become chief minister, BJP will lose Uttar Pradesh, and things will be good for us.
He has already become on back foot.
No, he's not on back foot.
And Samajwadi Party has come up as the third biggest party in the nation. And by these kind of vague laws, he is going to
Anyway, you are not, so what are you celebrating? Samajwadi Party is, they should be happy.
मुंगेरी लाल के हसीन सपने.
इंडिया अलायंस है, इंडिया अलायंस आ रहा है, हम सेलिब्रेट करेंगे.
27 समाजवादी पार्टी, all the political parties will be crushed by Yogi Adityanath ji's party. Our party BJP.
That is the question.
ये possible
question is not love. Question is marrying by cheating, by changing name, and by forcing the girl to change the religion. That is the definition of love jihad.
Now I'll tell you.
Don't try to derail the debate. You accept as any Vivek because Varis to clear a girl.
इसीलिए बोलते ना मदरसे में पढ़ाई मत करिए, प्रॉपर स्कूल कॉलेज में जाकर पढ़ाई करिए, डेफिनेशन पता चले.
And all the best to them. Do you mean to say that it was a love jihad? Do you say it was a love jihad?
I'll tell you since,
and she's the sitting member of parliament. All the very best to them. There is love. He changed the name. The film star changed his name to marry the film star. Who's the parliamentarian now?
On 15th of July, viewers, 1 minute. I'd like to say something louder with my audio, please. On 15th of July, radical preacher supported by the Congress party, Maulana Taqir Raza, announced that he has preparations going on to publicly convert. एक मिनट वारिस देखिए, एक चीज बताता हूं आपको सनातन धर्मियों के बारे में. जो सनातन धर्म में विश्वास रखते हैं बहुत धैर्य रखते हैं, है ना, मगर हर चीज की एक सीमा रेखा तो होती है. अभी मौलाना तौकीर राजा कह रहे हैं कि मैं प्रिपरेशन कर रहा हूं कि 5 हिंदू औरतों को मैं पब्लिकली कन्वर्ट करूंगा, उनकी निकाह कराऊंगा, उनकी पब्लिकली धर्म परिवर्तन कराऊंगा. तो अगर आप लोग हमेशा कहते हैं कि प्यार और प्रेम निजी चीज़ है, निजी जीवन में राजनीति नहीं करनी चाहिए, तो कृपया करके हमें बताइए महाशय कि ये मौलाना तौकीर रजा 5 हिंदू औरतों को पब्लिकली सार्वजनिक तौर से धर्म परिवर्तन क्यों कराना चाहते हैं? क्यों कराना चाहते हैं?
वो सिर्फ हिंदू मुस्लिम
क्यों कराना चाहते हैं?
आप उन महिलाओं से पूछिए ना।
मैं कह रहा हूं क्यों कराना चाहते हैं?
आप उन महिलाओं से
मैं क्यों पूछूं? आप राजनीति कर रहे हैं।
वो बीजेपी ने उसको आगे कर रखा है, बीजेपी उसको पैसे देती है।
शांतनु इज ऑन द वे।
जो कहती है वो कहता है।
शांतनु
करने के लिए डिवाइड करने के लिए काम कर रहा है वो।
Mr. Vivek will love to know this. Mr. Vivek will love to know this that in Kerala Assembly in 2010, CPIM Chief Minister V.S. Achyutanand mentioned that how non-Muslim girls in Kerala are getting converted by force to Muslim majority by the phenomenon of love jihad. This is a left Chief Minister in Kerala. Similarly, Oman Chandi, Congress Chief Minister.
You create a propaganda that so many cases of love jihad are taking place in Kerala. And when the actual data came out, came before the country, everybody
Home Minister Suvela mentioned how grooming gangs are working in UK. Similar grooming gangs, love jihad gangs are working in Canada. This is a global phenomenon. This is a global phenomenon. Viruses are becoming Varun or BP everywhere. In fact, there are rate cards. Anyway, there are rate cards being floated. If you convert a Hindu girl, what kind of money will get? If you convert a Christian girl, what kind of money will get? The rate cards floating around.
If somebody converts forcefully, there is a law of the land to take course of it. The law of the land will prevail.
Law of the land will come. 20 years jail with Chakki Pise.
But if two individuals
law of the land will come. Other states will follow soon. Law of the land will come.
Individuals of a particular age, they want to settle down in life.
By law of the land,
why you want to come in and
20 years Chakki Pise or life imprisonment. If a varis become Varun,
Okay, viewers, anyway, the good news is in a typical yogi operation, and this is the thing, you can call it a bulldozer approach, you can call it a bulldozer approach, you can call it a tractor approach, you can call it a JCB approach, but this is yogi approach. He has left nobody with any choice. उनको जो करना है उन्होंने कर दिया है. He has pushed through an anti-love jihad law. Viewers, if you look at the issues regarding demography in this country, the last thing that we can tolerate now after infiltration is forcible conversion. We needed the laws. Yogi has put what could be a case study for the rest of the country. Let's see how Yogi implements it now.